Hey Roadrunners, good evening. It's Mrs. Rowe here, and I am here to read you your story tonight. I actually thought it would be fun to read out on my front porch because it was such a beautiful day and it's such a beautiful night. So you may hear there's a lot of people out and about, so you may hear some neighbors in the background or some birds chirping, but hopefully you can hear the story okay. This story is called Little Blue Truck by Alice Schertle and Jill McElmurray. So we really like this book at our house. It's got a lot of really fun noises to make when you're reading. So as I'm reading, maybe you can make the noises along with me. All right, here we go. Little Blue Truck. Horn went beep. Engine purred. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa. Cow said moo. Oink, said Piggy. Beep, said Blue. Cluck, said Chicken, and her chick said peep. Ma, said Goat. Blue said beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk, honk, yelled a dump truck. Coming through! I've big, important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom, went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle. He tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big, important wheels got stuck. Uh-oh. Wonder what's going to happen. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, beep, beep. I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. That is some teamwork right there, Roadrunners. Awesome. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together now. 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. Yay! Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, ba, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. The end. All right, Roadrunners, I hope that you enjoyed that book and the fun and silly sounds that come along with it. I also hope that you all enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you next time. Until then, keep working hard, keep learning, keep doing all the things you're doing. You guys are all doing great. I miss you so much. One big air hug from me. Ugh. Bye, guys.